Recently, I've been hoovering non-stop as we have some new feline invaders in the house, which means a lot more emptying of the mucky canister. I've had my current hoover for 7 years, and I've recently learnt that replacing the 2 HEPA filters in my machine is around £70 a year, so I thought it was finally time for an upgrade. Luckily for me, I saw the Henry Xtra on sale. The Xtra model is basically the same as the current Henry, except it's extra convenient with a 9-litre capacity and 2 extra tools. I also was interested in it being bagged, which means that allergens like dust and pet hair shouldn't escape back into the air, versus the Hoover that I currently have, which is a little more messier. So let's start unboxing this thing. So this is the box for the Henry Xtra. Talks about all of the extra features it comes with. So it's perfect for pets because it has a powerful aero brush which easily picks up stubborn pet hairs. I guess that's here. And then a specialist hard floor cleaning tool for laminate tiles and wood here, even though it looks like they're hoovering the garden. Creepy image of Henry on the side to scare you even more. And then on the side you have more features. So it talks about the bag, and then all of the tools at the bottom here. This side is the same. And here you have the illustration, I guess, of how it's stored. It stores neatly away. And yeah, so I guess this is supposedly how long it should reach. So now, yeah, let's open it. Like, why do I do... So you have the instruction manual, the QR code. Here you have the hard floor tool. This is the HEPA flow bag. I don't actually know if it's actual HEPA, but I mean, I assume it's HEPA flow, so it shouldn't really let anything out of these bags. Then you have the aero brush, supposedly good for pet hair, stubborn dirt in the carpets. This is a normal floor tool. It's called combi tool. Combi brush. Cap hose. Here we have the extra tools. So this is the stair upholstery tool, a connector, crevice tool, dusting brush, and this connects to the upholstery tools. I think these bristles are for stairs. One of the rods. And now the main attraction. Of the top half of him. The bottom half. So you already have the filter in the top, and then they've already attached the bag inside. Put it back on his head. How does this head go? What the hell? How is he supposed to go on? Okay, so my first impressions of the Henry is that the suction is really good and you can really see the carpet being disturbed, so it should be cleaning it well. I really like the fact that it's bagged, so I know that nothing is escaping back into the air. I do think it would have been cool if it had a telescopic metal rod, especially for storage, as it would have been able to shrink the presentation a little more. It also would be nice if the handle on the head extended like a suitcase handle for ease of moving it with everything attached before you start using it. With the amount of extra tools that you get with this machine, it would have been convenient if the body could house all of them, or maybe even come with a sort of holder for them. I was not a fan of the instructions, and I think it could have benefited from having stronger instructions. I found myself staring at a few of them for quite a while trying to work it out, but that could just be me. I'll do more of a trial of the different tools in another video and we can see how good it is at cleaning. But so far it's an interesting buy. I just have to get used to not seeing the dirt in the canister. But for now, if you're interested in these videos, don't forget to like and subscribe, as you'll definitely be seeing more of this.
Hoover time.